Hey guys, just wanted to go ahead and take a couple of minutes to talk about this dog food container. Actually, feed container. You can use it for dog food, cat food, chicken feed. You need it for your cows, horses, anything like that. This is something that you can definitely invest in. This is for 50-pound container, and this particular model actually has a clear front. If you wanted to put a label here, you could. It's got kind of a smoother surface here in the front as compared to the side. It's a little bit more rougher. On the bottom, it has 4 rollers there so that you can go ahead and actually roll it wherever it is that you need it to go in a particular space going forward and backward. And then when you open up the front of the container, you actually can go ahead and pop this lid open. We've been using this one for shoes, but you can go ahead and pop open the lid and you'll see that it has kind of a rubber seal all the way around it to be able to have a airtight closure. And once you go ahead and close it, you pop the front of it closed and it'll snap to go ahead and let you know that it is closed. But this is going to be a pretty large container. This is about 1.5 feet deep, and you can tell that it's about 1.5 feet wide, and it stands about 2 feet tall. So I just wanted to go ahead and show that to you because this is something that we have used. We've actually got several of these, and we use them for different types of feed.